Hello everyone, thank you very much for amazing videos that you have provided. Now I'm just quickly recording this video to show you how I need you to assess the videos. So I need you to go to mfalonso.pythonanywhere.com. So you scroll down and then you go to the A+, and if you scroll down here you're gonna see the drop down list for group A, B, C, D, and E, and the grade that you should give according to your preference for the videos. Please also assess your own video. I'll come back to that in a second. So where are the videos? You can just click here, for example, to go to the YouTube and watch the video from group A. Now I'm going to come back here, scroll down again. So here, if you click here, group B, I'm still waiting because they delivered a scribe version, but not the final version of the video. So I'm waiting to upload the video here. So everybody, please assess the other videos, and I'm waiting for group B. The deadline for assessing the videos is the Monday, Monday the 11th of November, please. So you'll have until the end of Monday. Please, group B, be quick to deliver me the video. Otherwise, you're in risk of missing the evaluation of all the rest of the people, and that counts for 30% of the group assessment. Okay, so group C. So here's the video for group C. Please watch it. Group D is not on YouTube, but you can still see the video because they delivered a link to Powtoon that you can directly see the video here. So you please watch the video. Trying to come back. And then, yeah, so here. And finally, group E, where you can watch it on YouTube. Okay, that's those are the videos that I've been able to upload. So I'm only missing group B so far. That they have done the work, but I'm having trouble to get hand on the video. So what do you do? Let's say I want to give a 10 to group A. So it doesn't matter if you give a 10 to one group and 0 to another group, but not going to use your actual points. I'm going to say that you prefer group A instead of group D or group. If you give 10 to group A and 0 to group E, so you prefer group A. I'm only getting your preferences, okay? So how do you grade it? You get group A and you say group A 10, for example. And then, by the way, my system will record your punctuation. I haven't logged in here, so I'm going to log it. And then I record, you see, I've already gave a 10 to group A, and I'm giving it again. I'm only used the last time you graded as the final. So if you change your mind as you're watching the videos and give a different grade, so I only use one grade, the final grade, and please grade yourself, your own group. I won't use your grade for your own group anyways. I'm just going to ignore it. I have an automatic code to ignore your grade for your own group, but it counts for participations. So you have actual 5 participations to get from watching the videos and grading the groups. So please do so. If you grade everybody as 10 as I did, I'm not going to use your grades. It will be discarded because you're not reporting, you're not adding any value to my assessment, because you're not saying which group you prefer. But in any ways, you get the participation and no problems. Finally, how am I going to grade your video? I'm going to grade it 70% based on the technical aspect, and 30% will be based on peer review. So basically, as you saw there, I graded all the videos with 10. So all my grades are in here. So basically, my grade is being ignored. But one of the students from the two students, one with the ID 341, you can see your ID go into profile, and the user 347 already realized that the videos are there, so they graded the students. They graded the videos. Interesting. They realized that I've been uploading things already. So anyway, this helps me to explain how the grades are calculated. So I use basically analytical hierarchical process, AHP, to basically see, well, if you gave a 10 to group A and then a 0 to group E, that means you prefer group A, so I give you 1 vote for group A, then 1 vote for group B, 1 vote depending on your choice. And finally, I use a matrix as the AHP indicators to get a weight for the grades. So this is the weighted grade. This is because we have a 10 here. Let's say we don't have a 10, maximum grade by the AHP is a 9, so I normally normalize it, and one group will get a 10 in the 30% of the grade by the peer review. Okay, so basically it's an automated process where I eliminate, because this person is from group C, I don't count the group C vote of this person. Even if he did vote, you can see here that it doesn't appear. And this person is from group E, so it disappears from here because I automatically eliminate. Probably this person has voted for group E, and because I did indicate that you can vote for your own group. Okay, so this is basically how I'm going to calculate the grade automatically. So please, you have until Monday the 11th, 23:59, so 11:59 p.m. to vote. So again, group B, be quick. Thank you.